Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So in today's video, can you guess what we're doing? We're packing for Greece because I leave for Greece tomorrow. Basically, I'm going to Greece and Florida and New York for my graduation trip, and Cameron's coming along, so expect to see her later in the vlogs. It is 10:06 right now. Did I just say it was? I meant 10:16, I swear. So we're gonna see how long it takes to pack. So I have Mrs. My boy bag. Packing this hat. Has Winnie the Pooh on it. Langley's letting me borrow it. And I'm also borrowing her Disney princess ears. Let's see if we can pack these. And then I'm also borrowing Langley's hot fan. But we're gonna see how well I can pack all of these. I'm gonna listen to music and you guys get to watch me pack my clothes. So basically, this whole suitcase is just full of clothes. Come with me over to my jewelry stand. I would pack earrings, but this earring is stuck in my ear and I can't get it out. So, earrings are off the list. There's not really any... Oh, this is really cute. I have this Elevated Faith bracelet. I have this bracelet too. I went to CIY for 3 years, but my ex has my other one. Awkward. So Langley bought me this cute little jewelry box. She's gonna get filled. We're gonna slip it on. She slipped right off. It was quite awkward. We're also gonna connect my string bracelets to here so we have enough room for pretty much everything else. So this is what we have so far. It looks like a mess. Literally looks like my life. That's okay. Then my rings are gonna go down there. I'll take these bracelets, even though they're beads, and I don't wear beads in the summer. I think this is all the jewelry that I need. All the jewelry packed. We're packing my dad glasses because why not? We're also packing my regular glasses, except these are going on. I'm wearing these to the airport. Bottle. Langley just messaged. Bro, I miss her. Guys, this is Langley's childhood bear, if any of you guys cared. He's missing an eye. 3.8. Can't take this. Go away. This is my moisturizer. There's moisturizer on my floor. There's moisturizer on my floor. This is 3.4. Wait, what's the airpoint rule? Because this was traveling size. What's the airpoint? The airplane. Chat, this is exactly 3.4. Why am I talking like that? I don't even know. My bathroom is a mess. Look at my bathroom. Quite the mess. And we currently have to put everything into little tiny bags. Guys, I have finger paint. Why do I have finger paint? I'm not gonna tell you guys what perfumes I use in here, only because I want to gatekeep. For the shampoo, I use Green Apple Head and Shoulders because I have dandruff. And then for body wash, I use the Tropic Glow Sparkling Gel Wash from Tree Hut. No! Cleo! T-Mobile never gave me my old phone case back. Taking this charger because this is my AirPod charger, so I need this one. Later on, I will come back to you guys, and I will come back to you guys in the morning when I am packing some more. So, until then, I will see you guys later. Hi, Pookies. So basically, we're at Target right now because I have to get more travel size containers for my trip. Okay, wait. I need one of these. Oh my gosh, Aquaphor. Oh, toothpaste. That's what I needed. I need a travel size toothpaste because my toothpaste is not the travel size. 3.8. I can't take this. Go away. As we remember. Okay, now let's go find my mom. Mom. Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Hey guys, welcome. I'm currently back. Went to Target. I went and picked up some stuff. Stuff in it. Oh frick. That was very appealing. My conditioner is the Function of Beauty conditioner, if you guys were wondering. I literally love this thing like it's my pride and joy. I'm gonna put a lot in here because why not? Plus, I use so much conditioner. It's so bad. Like, the amount of conditioner I use is actually, like, unhumanly. So this is the first bag. And now the second bag we're gonna work on is this one. And this is the one that's gonna have my products and everything. So I personally think that's enough. And if it's not, then sucks to suck. So this is the next bag.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs.